The candy cane is a beloved and staple candy of Christmas. It is hard not to think of Christmas holiday without it. So let's pass through the 7 levels of the candy cane forest to this delicious holiday cocktail. Ho ho ho.
Ho ho ho!
With the holidays in full swing and Christmas right around the corner, Santa will be coming to visit soon. We need to make an old fashioned that would make Santa blush.
Santa's coming.
Cocktail quiz time. The biggest single week for candy cane sales is the second week in December. Why do you think so many are sold this week? I decided to do an old-fashioned candy cane for whiskey lovers and another one for non-whiskey drinkers. So you can try one or both and let me know which one do you like better. If you do try both, leave that in the comment below. I am super close to 1,000 subs and I'll be doing a giveaway when I hit that. So when I do, I'll be giving away 1, 2, 3 E.H. Taylors. Yes, one lucky winner will get all 3 of these. So don't be a Grinch and subscribe so you have a chance to win all these.
The Grinch!
Don't be a cotton-headed ninny-muggins and let's start making this drink.
I'm a cotton-headed ninny-muggins.
Aside from being one of the hallmarks of the holidays, candy canes make for a damn good cocktail too. This first one I'm gonna make combines the rye whiskey with a delightfully simple yet tasty drink that Santa enjoys. Santa's peppermint old-fashioned ingredients: 2 ounces Sazerac Rye whiskey, 1 ounce peppermint simple syrup, 1 to 2 dashes Bob's Peppermint bitters. Mini candy cane is an optional garnish. Let's start making Santa's peppermint old-fashioned. In a mixing glass, we're gonna be adding 1 ounce of this peppermint simple syrup, and we'll have directions below on how to make this. Next, we're gonna be adding 1 to 2 dashes of this Bob's Bitters Peppermint. Depends how much you like peppermint. If you like it a lot, put 2 dashes. If you just want to have a taste of it, put 1. There's plenty of peppermint from the peppermint syrup, so just depends how much you like. Now we're gonna be adding the 2 ounces of Sazerac Rye whiskey. I chose Sazerac because for most part, you can find this most places. It is not a very high proof, but it does have a good flavor. Now we need to add some ice into this. I'm gonna stir it with a large candy cane. So now we're gonna strain this into a large glass rimmed with crushed candy cane and have a large square ice because it kind of reminds me of a present.
Presents.
And there you go. And now you can garnish with the candy cane. My wife bought me these special ones that are also used for stirring, so I'm gonna use that one in there. And there you have it, Santa's Peppermint Old Fashioned. Ingredients for the candy cane lane old fashioned: 1.5 ounces vanilla vodka, 1.5 ounces white creme de cacao, 3/4 ounce creme de menthe, 1 dash chocolate bitters, 1 dash of Bob's Peppermint bitters. Mini candy cane is an optional garnish. Making the candy cane lane old fashioned, this one also is going to be made in a mixing glass. We're going to start with 1.5 ounces of vanilla vodka, with also 1.5 ounces of this creme de cacao, the clear one. Now we're only going to add 3/4 ounce of this creme de menthe. A little bit of this goes a long way.
A medium long way.
We're also going to add 1 dash of this chocolate bitters, followed by 1 or 2 dashes of this Bob's Bitters Peppermint. On this one I'm going to add 2. We're going to add some ice and once again stir until chilled. Once again, we're gonna strain into this glass with the crushed candy cane and a large ice inside of it as well. And we're also gonna garnish with the candy cane. Cocktail quiz time. The biggest single week for candy cane sales is second week of December. Why do you think so many are sold this week? This is likely because most people decorate their Christmas trees that week. It is now time to taste both.
I want to destroy both ships at once.
Santa's Peppermint Old Fashioned and Candy Cane Lane Old Fashioned. Let's go in for this one first. I'm gonna give it a little stir because it's been sitting for a little bit. And let's taste this bad boy. I like it. Nice hint of peppermint, kind of like a candy cane, and then you get that whiskey in the back. Well balanced, not too much peppermint and not too much whiskey. Good balance of both of them. I like the little bit of shining glitter that you have in there, kind of like with the candy cane. I'm also gonna taste it where the peppermint is crushed. That's awesome because a little piece of it fell in my mouth.
That's what she said. That's what she said.
And you get that peppermint bite at the end too. So you get to also taste that, you get to taste the peppermint and the whiskey, kind of like if you took a bite of the candy cane. I like it. Let's see, let's do this one. Let me start a little bit. So this is the one made with the vodka for those non-whiskey drinkers. Let's go in for a drink. Wow, This one's a lot sweeter. The vanilla hits you very forward. You get a little bit of hit in that chocolate, and then you get the mint and the peppermint at the end. Well, it's more of a mint than a peppermint. Very sweet drink, good, but not as pepperminty as I thought. It doesn't taste like a candy cane like it should. This one hits the spot a lot better if you're looking for a candy cane version. Let me try it where the crushed candy cane is. You still get a lot of that vanilla, a lot of that chocolate forward, and at the end with that little pieces of candy go in your mouth, you do get to get it like if you did have a little bit of candy cane as well. This one's very sweet, more chocolatey than peppermint. It tastes like almost like you know, when you go to those places and you get the chocolate with the peppermint on and you pop that in your mouth after a meal. Tastes similar to that.
Detect a hint of minty freshness.
But overall, very good sweet drink. For me, I'm preferring this one. Thanks for joining my journey through the 7 levels of the candy cane forest.
First, I traveled through the 7 levels of the candy cane forest.
Happy holidays, my friends. Till our next journey, cheers.